always knew your lot was real. Apologies for having to pull you up into the tree like that. But that panther wasn't exactly listening to me. I figured I should use my tail to put you out of harm's way. Although, I apologize for giving you such a scare. But now that you're up in this tree with me, you'll be safe for now. Tell me, human, what brings you to this jungle? Are you a noble adventurer or some sort of quest? What? Why are you laughing? Yes, I know that sounds silly. It's from the stories my sister used to tell me about humans. I've never actually met one, though, until now. So those stories are all I have to go off. You're an explorer? Cool. That's kind of like being on a quest, I suppose. What exactly do explorers do? I mean, surely exploring involves more than just, well, exploring. You were doing research, but it was only an excuse to be out in the jungle. I see. Well, it is pretty wonderful out here, if I say so myself. Aside from the predators and the godforsaken bugs. It's everything somebody could want. Warm weather to warm my scales, fresh water from streams, and plenty of food. You might like it here yourself, human. Hey. Whoa there. You're looking a little faint. Are you doing okay? How long have you been out here anyway? 3 days? Wow. Forgive me if this is rude, human, but it's surprising you are still alive. You don't seem to have much in the way of a defense mechanism. You don't have claws, or a strong tail, or fangs with... Sorry, getting off topic. You look like you need some help. Come now, I'll take you to my den. It's nice and cool, and there's a fresh water spring in the back you can drink from. Nope. No, do not climb down yourself. No need for broken bones. You look really unsteady. I'll just wrap my tail around you, like so. There. Now I'll pull you over to me. Gotcha. You're not going anywhere in these arms. Hey, it's okay. I know you're scared to be alone in an unfamiliar environment, with a snake man of all things talking to you. But I promise you're safe with me. I never hurt a fly. Well, unless the fly was trying to bite me, but anyway. Hold tight. I'm going to carry you to my den. Just relax and enjoy the ride. Here we are, home sweet home. Now, I'm just going to set you down over here in this nice, cool corner where you can sit up and get your bearings back. There you go. You know, I never imagined humans would be so small. I could have easily crushed your ribs with my tail if I wasn't careful. Sorry. I'm sure that wasn't exactly reassuring to hear. Anyway, what have you been eating out here? I could go fetch something for you. You've been surviving the last few days on nothing but bugs. Given the look on your face, I take it those aren't foods that humans would enjoy. That just won't do. Stay here. I got something from my preserves I might be able to get for you. We'll gather something up. Besides, you need to get your strength back. So don't move around too much while I'm gone. You humans seem fragile and I don't want you hitting your head on the floor if you pass out. And here you go. Enjoy. I hope it's to your liking. Here, I'll lift you over to the water spring so you can take a drink before you start eating. There. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I guess it's partly curiosity and partly nature. I've always been a nurturing type. Putting baby birds back in their nest, freeing trapped tortoises from their branches. It gives me a sense of satisfaction, I guess. Plus it helps the cycle of nature. More baby birds means more grown-up birds, which means more food for me in the end. What? No, I'm not going... Oh. Sorry. Yeah, that was another poorly timed remark. Don't worry, human. I didn't save you so that you could be stored for food later or something. I saved you because I'm genuinely curious about you. You seem so helpless, yet you're so brave. I'd love to learn more about your kind if you'd like to stay for a while. Yes, of course, you're welcome to stay. I'm not sure where else you would go anyway. Jungle's a bit too thick in this stretch. Who knows where the nearest humans are? How long would you like to stay? A long time. I guess it wouldn't be something you could put a number to. Well, I'd like that very much. I'd love to have some company. Besides, we're not half different. I guess we technically are half different, since our upper halves are the same, but our lower halves... Never mind. My point is, we have some similarities. I think you'll be a great den mate. Of course, little human, it's my pleasure. Now eat up, and then you can get some rest. If you like, I can show you around tomorrow morning, so you'll know your way around this part of the jungle. Maybe even teach you the basics of hunting for yourself. But for now, rest. Good night, little human. I'll see you in the morning.